Hey, business owners, we are finally here. So, we have our lead generation system completed, and this is the page that we set up. So, this page has the ultimate goal of convincing our visitors to give us their email address. And so, all we need to do is just provide our email address, hit the submit button that says please send my planner, and then they will get to a thank you page, and that thank you page will enable them to download their planner. Now, I've given you lots of different options for the thank you page, but I will present those in a different video just so that you can see how they look and how, kind of give you some ideas on things that you can do when you set yours up. So let's go ahead and just enter an email address. And this is just going to be a bogus email address. I don't even know if AOL exists anymore, but we're going to just enter that. Remember, the first name is optional. Now I can type in Mary and then Mary at AOL.com. I'm going to hit the submit button. And there you go, it works. And we kind of went through a lot just to have this. However, this simple system, and that's why I tell you, this is a very simple system that you can set up. And based on the variations that you decide on, you can set this system up and it will work for your business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And even though this is a very simple thank you page, it really does the job that it was intended to do, and that is to help your potential customers get the free resource that you promised to give them. So I'm going to do some variations of this as well, just so that you can see how the other variations work. But this is basically it. This is a basic lead generation system, and you can set yours up in the way that you feel works best for your business. The other thing that you can do is, if you decide that you want to get Thrive Suite, you can set up testing scenarios. So you can set up a page, a thank you page that has some community resources. And we're going to do another video that shows you those community resources. You can set up a thank you page that has a sales component. So you can put together a package, especially if you have digital products. You can set up a product package that you can upsell. So when someone opts in, they get their planner. You can set up some complementary products that go with the planner to help them get more out of using their planner. And when you do that, you can charge a very, you want to charge a nominal fee. You don't want to try to get rich off of this, but this is a way that you can start bringing income into your business and really get you started with creating that know, like, and trust factor with your audience. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now, but this is pretty much it. This is our lead generation system, and I will throw in a couple of bonus videos to show you some of the different things that you can do with your thank you pages. So thank you for hanging in with me. Thank you for taking the workshop. And if you have any questions, or you are stuck, or you need help, just let me know and I will be glad to help you figure things out and maybe give you some ideas as well. So I appreciate your time. Have a great week and make it productive.